So to access the recipe builder, you want to go to www.bun.com on any browser that you're comfortable using. Once you get to the home page, select commercial. Then we're going to select support. Under support, you see the recipe builder link. This page allows you to select all the machines that are compatible with the recipe builder. Select your unit. From here, you can change the recipe name. Recipe or grinder number. Make it an iced coffee or tea recipe. Select which batches you would like to edit. Once a batch is selected, you can begin or enable a batch size, edit the volume, the bypass ratios, enable or disable pre-infusion, pulse brew, smart wave, drip time, freshness time, set the freshness timer, and for this unit it does have recipe temperature. You can also set that. Furthermore, you can set the grinder information for the recipe also. After you're done editing the recipe, add the recipe to the bank. You can edit multiple recipes at a time. Once you're ready to download the files, select download. The files will automatically be downloaded. From here, access the file. Extract all. Select your USB stick. Extract. The recipes are now on your USB stick and ready to be uploaded to the machine.